tayo guys. Dito na pala ako sa swimming lesson ni Riker. Ayan, nag-lesson siya. 1 hour pala yung lesson niya ngayon kasi nag-makeup class kami. And then pinapick up ko kay ate si Harley kasi hindi naman ganun ka-busy today. So pwede siyang mag-casual swim. Silang dalawa ni ate Zoe. Ayan. So kahit dyan lang siya sa other lap oh. Pwede siyang mag-casual swim. Silang dalawa ni ate niya. Buti walang masyadong tao. Si ate Zoe pala yung therapist mo today. Si ate Zoe yung naging therapist niya. May hydro pa yan bukas eh. Pinapa-cancel ni daddy niya. Kasi nag-swimming na siya today daw. Kaya nga naman. Katapos na si Riker. Bahay na tayo guys. Hindi kami pinabayad dun sa casual swimming nila Harley and Zoe. So that was nice. Naka-libre silang swimming for today. Kain tayo ng pineapple para na ating cervix. So, anong oras na ba? 11:37. Nasusunduin pala ako ni Ben mamayang 12:30 dahil what's mommy and daddy gonna do today, Raika? Come here, you tell them. What's mommy and daddy gonna do today? We're gonna pick up our new car. Nandito siya. Nagpapaaraw siya dyan. Oh, siya na talaga nakaupo dyan sa may araw. He's eating mandarin and ate is eating apple. Banlaw na yan sila. Harap, matamis yung pineapple ko. Yeah, so mamayang alauna. Ready na yung car. For pick up. And then tonight, punta kami kay mother. Doon kami mag-dinner. Si ate Zoe nakapagbanlaw na din, oh. Ano yan siya? Study from home. Study from home siya. Nag-aaral siya, guys. Naka-enroll siya. Pero pinayagan siya mag-module na. An online class. Yes. Kahapon nag-malling siya kasama niyang kanyang friend. Ilang oras sila sa mall. You okay, baby? Cute ni Rico. Is that how you sit now? Yeah? What do you call that sit?
Wash your legs.
Cross your legs. What are you doing?
I'm feeling my food in the esophagus.
You're feeling your food in your esophagus. Ikaw na talaga. Ay, naka. Si ate nag-skirt pa talaga siya. So, dadali namin din yung mga car seat, 3 car seat mamaya para mailagay sa car ba. Sa baby bunting kami after we pick up the car. Ayan, dito na pala kami sa Kia guys. Dinala namin yung mga car seats para diretso na kami sa baby bunting. Mamaya. Oh ha, may paganyan pa sila. Ka, minivan. Oh, the kid's gonna be happy. It looks good. Ayan siya guys. Ang laki ng tires. Eh, mas mataas nga siya. Nice! Ayan. New car. Ganda. Ang quiet niya na rin kasi hybrid din siya nga. New car! Ayan, diba? Parang ang layo ni daddy. Ang laki ng console or plug box. Daming space. Now we're on the way to baby bunting. Alas 3 pa naman, so we have an hour. We'll have a coffee or we'll go check out baby bunting because we might need to buy another seat protector para sa isang car seat. But, yeah, two-tone pala siya guys. So what is that brown, babe?
Yes, sir.
Ano bang what color is this?
It's a lot of brown.
Light brown, no? Two-tone siya. Hindi, meron din silang pa-ambient lighting. Balik tayo sa paganyan na change gear. Dati kasi sa Mercedes, yung change gear ko nandito. Ayun, yung ganun. Ayan, dito na tayo sa baby bunting, guys. Waiting na lang kasi 3 o'clock ko pa binook yung car seat installation. Nandito lang siya sa tabi. Bumili na rin ako. Pumasok na pala ako dun. Kasi bumili lang ako ng extra nga na protector bago mo ilagay yung car seat. Ilalagay mo muna yun sa car. Sa upuan ba? Para hindi siya ma-damage.
Do you want to ring Veronica? Ring the kids on here?
I did ring them. I showed him already when we were there. I showed
Oh,
him.
what did he say?
He said, "Oh, mommy, the new car." Ang laki ng space, you guys. Like, ang dami pang space dito sa legs ko. Dun, 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 dun. Sa likod, marami ring space. I actually removed the middle seat, but we're not gonna do that kasi I wanna put one car seat either sa dalawang to and then one Riker will be in the middle para madali lang makapasok si Harley sa likod or anyone else sitting at the back. So 8-seater pala to, so another extra seat sa third row kasi yung Mercedes ko was 7-seater, so one car seat lang dun and then another passenger. Ito dalawa. So tama kami mamaya kasi si Ben, ako, car seat, Riker, Ate Maribik, and then Harley will be in the third row, Zoe and Ate Grace. So kasya kami. And ang laki pa ng boot niya, guys. Palalim kasi siya. So, kasyang-kasya yung ating stroller. And yung bassinet niya na kapag lalabas kami kung sa mall matagal kami, yun yung doon ko siya ilalagay. Hindi ko siya ilalagay sa capsule. And then, plus grocery. So many space. Hey? This one actually have cooling seats then. So instead na heated lang kapag winter.
Cooling with ventilation.
Ito cooling with vents sa summer. Tapos heated steering wheel. So yeah. Meron din sa likod pala. So si ate dyan, si ate Maribig dyan, meron siyang heated seat din. And is it in cooling as well or heated only? Both.
Oh no, at the back.
Pala parang heated seats lang kapag winter, walang cooling. And then meron siyang controller doon, so which is good. And all the vents. Diba? Ang daming cup holder and mga USB-C charging. Ito meron siya dito sa kabila. Ay, meron siyang USB-C dyan. Ayan. Installed na nila, guys. Dito muna kami sa Coffee Club. Magkape si Sir. Ayan, nagpabili akong hash brown. Ayan, all installed ng ating mga car seat, you guys. Oh, diba? So, Riker's there in the middle. Baby's there sa likod ng driver. Kasi nga, si ate nandun sa likod dun. So, dyan siya daraan. Kapag bababa siya, papasok siya. Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. Pakita natin sa kids. I'm excited to see the reaction. Okay. You wanna see the car? Where's the car? Are you ready? Close your eyes. Oh my god! Wow!
Riker, look.
Where's Ai?
What is it?
Where's Ai? Wow!
It's so big, Riker.
The magic door.
It's got the magic door. He knows how to open it.
Well done, Riker. Where's Ai? Let's have a look. Where's our new car? Wow! Oh, nonchalant, sabi niya.
It's a brand new car. It's a van.
Wow! Holly, it's a new car!
You get to
You sit there at the back.
Yeah, you can.
Ang ganda ng wheels, ang laki.
Look how big that is.
Fix it.
I know.
Oh my god.
Where's Holly gonna sit?
In the back.
In the back.
Oh, you show Vic how to open. Show Vic.
Tita Vic.
Wow! With the magic door.
Yan be.
Wow! Gusto niya pinipindot eh.
Ano pindot siya?
Yeah. Kasya naman siya sa carport namin, guys. Matigas ulo ni Raika. Ayaw niya yung inaalagay yung sa
Mommy, they smell like popcorn.
It does with the Atis Doritos. Oh, what can you comment about the car?
I want to say
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
What type of car is it? What type of car, Rocker?
What brand?
It's
Logo.
Kia.
Kia.
Good boy.
And there's another Kia in the supermarket.
Can you sit properly daw? Ayan, dito na pala kami kay Grandma. Ayan, lasagna ulam namin. Good morning! Happy Saturday. Ay, Friday.
Feels like.
It feels like Saturday. Friday. Happy weekend.
How's that my
Of course, nasa labas na kami. Para i-break ang ating kotse.
I need to go get
Ayun sila nasa likod ng mga nasa third row. Kaway-kaway ang mga nasa third row.
May kay Jan.
May mic pala tong car para marinig ka sa third row. And then, it sounds like, when you order from the drive-thru. When you talk. So, sabi namin kahapon kay Harley, what do you wanna order? Sabi niya, Happy Meal. So, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. So, I don't know. We're just gonna drive around and then take the kids to the
Harley,
playground.
Houston, and
Ayan,
Fran,
oh.
welcome to McDonald's drive-thru. What would
Ayan.
you like to order?
Kasi there's a...
Did you hear that?
Would you like some nuggets and a Happy Meal with a toy?
Oh my God.
Siguro siya be.
What would you like to order today?
Ganda ng boses.
What about me?
I.E.
Ganda niya.
Yeah, she's like this.
I know, she's like, what the heck?
How can anybody did
You love this car, Harley, don't
Did you
you?
want the McDonald's and the Macca's?
Ayan.
Riker, that's gonna be your life.
But do
What
we
about me?
I know. The middle child.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. All right.
Because Grace is the middle child.
I know, yeah, the whole middle child.
Is that why you're bonding so much
That's
with
why,
Tina Grace?
yeah, that's why they bond
Is that
so
why
much.
you always want to sleep with
And
Tina
they're
Grace?
both here at the Tiger.
Tiger, we're both air element.
Oh my goodness. Both middle child. Kasundo talaga sila.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive.
We're here. Dito pala kami pumunta sa The Farm Barn.
For the ride.
Fran is
Dito kami sa Handorp. Napadpad, guys. Let's look at some animals.
Excited.
Tingnan kung gaano ka-busy.
Hindi pa tayo nakapunta dito.
Kami din, hindi pa kami nakapunta, I think. Oh my God, ang daming tao dahil.
All first time. Ayun, no?
Kasi last week na ng school holiday. Ayan, dito kami sa Handorp. Pakaba. It's okay, Holly. You're right. $6. Si Ate Zoe, kaya ka pa ba ng pony? Ay, hindi ka na kaya. Hindi na pwede, pambata lang. Holly! Ang cute. Ang cute. Lansya lang sila, busog na sila.
I wanna go in.
I think Harley would love a farm. She gets so excited. She gets so excited. Oh, pakante-kante. Ayun, look at the cow. Hi, cow. Hi, cow. Oh, Scotland daw yung origin niya, oh. Ang ganda. The milk they produce is perfect for cheese making. Oh,
My cheese.
hungry siya, Ai. He's hungry. Ay, may pa-playground. Si Riker nandun na sa playground. Ano? Hindi ako makaduko. Good job. Look, Ali, look.
What?
Ali's happy. Gutom eh.
Gutom siya dito.
Gutom na gutom yan. Yung isa maganda eh. Meron siyang ano eh, sungay. So, di ba yung nag-echo?
Iba yun. Pero magkapatid sila.
Ang cute. Ali. Ang cute, may mga nag-ride ng pony doon.
Ito talaga meron siyang balbas.
Ito, yun para sa movie ng ano. What do you call that movie? The Brother Bear? Yung sa Brother Bear na movie. Yung dalawa makulit. Hello! Uy, bakit ganyan yung mata niya? Ang cute. Ito, may balbas talaga siya, guys. Ang cute niya. Oh. Ay, ang cute naman ang balbas mo. Ang ganda rin ang kulay niya. Ayan, pakain natin siya. Ay, nilalaglag. Nalaglag ate, sayang.
I wanna pet the face. Ang haba ng tenga niya.
Ganda ng itsura nito, oh. Ang ganda ng horn niya, guys. Pumasok si Harley dito, oh. Tingnan natin kung matatakot siya, no? Sige, kalat-kalat lang yung animals. Ngayon, no? Ang lusog ng ano, sheep. Tingnan mo sa Ate Zoe, oh. Ang cute ng alpaca, Harley. Ayaw niya kumain, hindi siya gutom. Sabi, I'm not hungry. Thank you, girl. Si Ai. Yung mga sheep lang yung hungry. Ay, hindi naman yung duck na to. Halo-halo lang sila dito. May duck, may ibon. Ang cute naman. So if you own a farm, it's like this. Look at this one. Oo naman na pa. Oh, ang cute. Ang taba niya na. Hindi mo na kailangang kumain, Char. Ayaw niya. Sabi, ayaw ko. May bayad yung picture ko. Ay.
Matalino siya, be. Matalino, buti pa ito. Bakit siya? Akin na yung food natin, ate. Sabi, may picture na to siya.
Taba niya, oh. Okay, go. Eat na.
Ayaw niya na.
Ayaw niya rin. Ay, gusto
Ay. Oh, that's so pretty. The deers. Oh, deers. Mukha silang statue, no?
Ang cute nila. Ang ganda-ganda. They're so pretty. Honey, look.
No, beautiful deer. Harley is so happy, guys. Kala ko hindi siya papasok dito. Kasi kalat-kalat lang yung animals. Tinan mo, eh, may peacock ko. Hindi sa may peacock. Harley, that's a peacock! May donkey doon. Si Riker na kay daddy niya. Oh, hi, donkey. Ang laki ni donkey. Ilang taon na kaya ito si donkey? Ang cute. Dalawa sila. May white.
Hirap, anak. Ay, so wait.
He's cute.
Nag-vlog ko naman.
Hindi siya totally donkey.
It's a donkey. Ang laki niya nga, no?
Dapat ganun lang yun.
Yung mag-ama ko, guys, sila muna daw kakain bago ang animals. Ayun, o. Galing sila sa cafe. Oh my God. Alright, bigyan mo ng carrot si Riker. Pakainin niya yung animals.
You want to feed him?
Hey? You wanna feed?
Yeah.
Oh, here.
It's okay. Ati's here.
Slow motion siya.
Slow motion.
Oh.
Ayun si Riker. Meron siyang pre-ride ng tractor dyan. Hindi niya pa alam i-control eh.
Give me a smile. Picture for mommy.
Ang ganda ng farm nila, no? Super green. Si Ate Harley nasa playground eh. Kasama si Tita Vic niya.
Yeah. Like that. A little bit closer. Drop it. Open it all like that. Yeah, like that.
Oh, wow. Okay,
One
like
more.
our plan.
Okay. I just say we need more sand.
You need to get some sand.
Go up, down. Wait. Up, straight up.
Yeah, like that. Oh, go down. Go down.
Go down.
Where's the down? Oink.
Not up. You need to go down. Hold. Last one.
Last one. Ang gwapo. Ayan. Ang bilis ang transition. Dito na kami sa grocery. 70 na lang si Harley sa therapy niya. Yeah. So, hindi ako nakapag-order online. So, kami na lang. Dahil may kotse na kami. Yes. Tago niyo yung mga bawal Huwag mong pakita yung marshmallow mo. Oh my God! Spider-Man's here! Tom Holland's there and Spider-Man's here! Ayan. Aglio olio pala yung ulam namin with salmon. Sarap. Sila Ben salmon, yung kids, with sweet potato kasi hindi naman sila kumakain ng aglio olio. Yan, kain tayo. Kumain na si Ben tsaka yung kids. Nandito pala si Mary Grace. Mag-sleep over siya tonight. O, diba? Meron kaming Coke, vanilla Coke for tonight. Sana all meron silang caviar and cream cheese.
Tawag yan. Spread mo una. Spread mo una, right?
First time down Tita Mary Grace eh. Nag-inom pa sila. Nagdala si Mary Grace ng dandelion. Meron pa silang dessert. I'm black. We're playing Uno.
Mommy, I block you.
Okay. We're playing Uno, guys. Tinan nyo. Talo na ako dalawang beses.
I gotta put lipstick on you.
Oh, yeah. You wait. If mommy win, I'm gonna put lipstick on your face.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Uno. Ayaw yan ni Raiko. Natatalo siya eh. Yung dalawa, last weekend na pwede magpuyat. Kasi back to school na si ate niya sa Lunes eh. So, iyaan lang natin.
Back to school.
Nood lang silang TV. Ayun, nakadalawang pang third game na natin, di ba? Third game na kasi dalawang talo ko na. Nag-shuffle na.
Dandangan mo lang?
Dandakan lang si Candy eh.
Pinapul pa? Panalo na sana ako.
Last game, ako pa talaga ang nanalo.
First time niya nanalo. Last game pa. Sabay siya. Muling sa kaibigan tayo ng bigote.
Bigot. Saan na maganda?
Salbahe siya tayo. Salbahe. Abang ka.
Last game naman na.
Pretty pa rin.
Doon ka. Lahat kami nanalo. Tulog na yung dalawa, guys. Dito pa kami sa baba eh. So nilagay ko na lang yung camera ni baby sa kwarto nila.